what's going on, right? What is really there? So first one, you understood that. So it is just increase in the asterisk. Here second one also, you have to increase the asterisk. But what is in the beginning? So that is more important. What's in the beginning? Mula monada තියෙන්නේ. So before asterisk, what you can see? You can't see actually. What is there here? What I have selected? What is this character? What is this character? What is this character? Yes. What are there? Before asterisk, what are there? Yes. You can't see the character, but you can name it. What is the name of this character? What I'm selecting here? Yes, Situm? Or Sitmi? What I'm selecting here?
Space.
Space. Yes, that is space. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So you can say 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3 spaces. 2 spaces. 1 spaces. No spaces. So spaces are decreasing. So I have to consider that now. So, okay, before this asterisk, I have 4 spaces. So, okay, that can be done. I can multiply space here, blank, space. I can multiply that space by, okay, what happens if I multiply space by C and then add asterisk by C? So then when you run this, you will see this kind of structure, because 1 space, 1 asterisk, 2 spaces, 2 asterisk, 3 space, 3 asterisk, 4 space, 4 asterisks, 5 space, 5 asterisks. But that is not what I need. So I need 4 spaces. So this can be done by telling 5 minus C, because C's value is first one, 5 minus C is, then what is the 5 minus C? If C is 1, what is 5 minus C? If C is 1, sit me.
4.
4. Yes, if C is 2, what is 5 minus C?
3.
3. If C is 3, what is 5 minus 3? 5 minus C? 2. So now you can see it's reducing. It's reducing, right? So by doing that, I can print the asterisk other way. Understood how I developed? It's just small modification, just very small modification, right? That's what I said. That is not difficult. Only thing is, so make a hurried monkey. This is like driving. If you drive only, you will understand. But if you look how driving, the so I really like driving. So what I was doing, so when I'm going actually by Boston, I used to sit in the front seat, so which is in the opposite side of the driver, because I can see how he's driving. So when I'm in some other vehicles like a car or van, I used to go to front and see how he is driving, how driver is driving. So, but I observed that for 15 years, but I never drive. So I couldn't drive. I observed. So, ඕගොල්ලොත් මේක තව අවුරුදු 15ක් මං කරනවා බලන් හිටිය කියමුකෝ. So useless. You will not write programs. You can watch, write in programs, and I will write programs, but you are not. What you have to do is you have to program. Do it. Do errors. Try with errors. Do mistakes. If you do mistakes, please send it to me. Then I can correct. That's why I'm here as a teacher. Right? ඔයාලා errors කරාම ඒක උදව් කරන්න තමයි මම ඉන්නේ. අඩුම ගානේ මම දැනගන්න ඔයාලා errors කරනවා කියලා. Otherwise, how can I help? I don't know whether so I cannot see what you are doing. I cannot see what's going on your screen. Maybe you can watch a movie and part-time you can come to the lecture. While watching a movie, you can film part-time participate to the lecture. That can be done. Another thing, you can actually practice and try, and while trying, you can come to the lesson. That is another thing. Right? Likewise, you can. So anyway, so now you know how to develop this. At least Now you know the concept of spaces, right? At least can you try this one alone now? නිකන් අර පොඩි ගෞරව කිරීමක් වශයෙන් මේ තනියෙන් අන්තිම එක තනියෙන් කරමුද? Just to respect your teacher. Otherwise, it's like, I can do this. I can quickly finish this. That is not the thing. I want to develop your computational thinking. I want to develop your programming skills. That's why I'm always asking you to try. Okay, so try the last one. So now you know how to keep spaces. Same spaces are there. This one also same spaces. 4, 3, 2, 1. Same spaces are there, but now you can see it's 1, 3, 5. So it's triangular numbers. So try it along and let me know the code. මට එවන්න ඔය code එක ලියලා හරියන්න හරි වැරදින්න හරි. Please send me a screenshot to the WhatsApp after writing. Asterisk into C plus. Again. Yeah, same asterisk into C minus 1. Okay, something different. Let's see. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. Okay, good. So that is working, no? So yeah, you are adding C plus, so that means increasing, and C minus 1. So asterisk into C will be 1, then 2, 2 plus 1, and okay, yes, 3 plus 2. Yes, that is correct. Very good. You have found new algorithm. Congratulations. And yes, that is one method. And not only that, you can just use the odd numbers, right? Previous algorithms, odd numbers, 1, 5. Likewise, odd numbers are going from, yes, odd numbers are going like, if you use up to 5, or let's 7. So if you use odd numbers, you know, it is, can multiply by C. C is C plus 2. So, but the thing is, other hand, the spaces will also go as odd numbers. Right here, spaces will also go as odd numbers. You will get 1, 3. So, but the thing is spaces. So what will happen to the spaces? Spaces can be controlled. So because it is 5 minus C, means without using 5 minus C, you can use like one space, only one space. So you can use another variable to maintain that. Let's say B is also 1, and you can say, so this is B 5 minus B, and B is B plus 1. So B is going 1 by 1. Spaces are increasing 1 by 1. Sorry, spaces are decreasing 1 by 1, whereas C is increasing 2 by 2. So that is another method. So likewise, there can be many methods to do the same. Okay, here. This one also, okay, 1, 3. So same thing. Netherlands one is actually going extra step. So to do that, I can increase this to 9. Then that will go that extra step. Okay, see here. So that is how. So this is another method. Maybe if you have tried, you have come up with another method. So I really like that you have tried. That is very good thing. So others also can try. Even though you get the answer or not, that doesn't matter. But if you have tried, yes, Situm also saying that, so it's good. Yeah, you have, I think Situm has used another method, right? You have used the method that I suggested. Okay. So, but in this method, so spaces should be, but that will be incrementing 1 by 1, Situm, right? You have to just try that. Try that in the computer, and you will see that is incrementing 1 by 1. The asterisk will be incremented 1 by 1. So that is the disadvantage of that. But anyway, you can try this. And so since we were trying repetition, let's further try for further do some more exercises. Actually, this is in programming. Programming, you have exercises. So I can't limit this to a note. So repetition, actually in repetition, we will learn many things. Right? The next thing is, so try these two also as example. Just I'll give you few more. Try to print. So please write down, try to print these patterns, the following patterns. Try to print the following patterns. The first one, 1, 1, 3, the 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, then 13, 21, 34, then 55. Okay. The second pattern is, this is pattern 1, and the second pattern is 1, 2, 6, 24, 120, 720. Okay, this is some extra step. So I'll give you a chance. So try to print the following number patterns. So the first one, actually, we call this as Fibonacci. Fibonacci series. The second one is called Factorial. Actually, how this happened, the Fibonacci series is actually adding the first two numbers and generating the next number. First two numbers added, then that is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Likewise, it's adding the numbers. The second way is the 5 factorials, actually. 1 into 2 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 2 into 3 is 6. That 6 into 4 is 24. That 24 into 5 is 120. That 120 into 6 is 720. That is called factorial. For an example, factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 24. Factorial, so this is mathematic, right? Factorial 4, you write like this. For factorial 5, let's say factorial 6. Factorial 6 is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 720, I think. So I guess 3, this 6, 24, 24 into 5 is 720. Okay, try to print these two also. So give a try. Nothing wrong giving a try. Just give a try. I'll give only 2 minutes. Sorry, I'll give 3 minutes. Just give a try and show me the output. Okay, so I think it's enough.